Will Wesley Bryan ever return to the PGA Tour? Shout out Kyle Porter for putting this tweet out. What is your hottest golf take right now? Can be massive, minuscule, or anything in between. Only rule, you have to kind of believe it, but also at least a little bit scared to say it out loud. And part of the reason why I love Wes on Twitter, he's a great follow. He said, I will play on the PGA Tour again. Before we get any further, hit that follow button. Now, I love Wesley. He loves to stir the pot on Twitter. He's a great follow, but ever since he's been suspended, he's been extra spicy. Now, Wesley Bryan was initially suspended in April of this year for playing in a YouTube video or the Live Duels, which is insanely stupid. I digress. Not going to get into that right now. But people have been talking, is he going to go to Live now that he's suspended from the PGA Tour? Because Wesley has said he doesn't care if he ever plays in the PGA Tour anymore. He told me himself. But earlier this year in the Internet Invitational, Wesley confirmed that he had a 2-year suspension. So I'm guessing from April. I don't know if his suspension is amended for playing in more Live Duels. You'd have to ask him. For him to put out a take like that, he actually believes it. So do you think Wesley plays in the PGA Tour ever again? Let me know in the comments below.